Hey guys, how's it going? So I just wanted to do a quick little video. Someone was asking me if by doing the new software update, if it disables the remote start hack that we've done to these cars. So I tried it and thankfully it still works. So I just wanted to do this quick little update video. If any of you are nervous about doing it, because Honda, could easily put a patch in there that would disable it. So here, I'll go ahead and start it. Hold it down like normal. There we go. Start it up. So I just wanted to put that out there because when someone brought it to my attention, I didn't even think about it, to be honest. I was thinking, I don't know if eventually they'll do it. They'll put a little patch on it where it'll disable it for the LX and Sport. Because that's all it is software. So put your mind at ease. If you're holding off doing it, I would highly recommend doing the update, just because it could fix some glitches you're having with connectivity, with Apple CarPlay and all that kind of stuff. So nothing will happen to if you have an LX or Sport, to the remote start hack. I was thinking when someone brought it to my attention, man, that would be horrible if it did. So we're good to go on that, guys. So if you guys are thinking about it, just go ahead and do it. It will help. I've noticed things are a little bit quicker on the infotainment system. It's not as much lag on it, so that's good. And in the coming weeks, we'll see exactly what it does. If it does fix things, or it's not perfect, I know. So we'll find out. So I hope that helps, guys. Hope everyone's staying safe out there right now. It's kind of crazy, but stay safe, guys. And I will catch you guys next time. Thanks again.